The German word of the week this week is Schnarchen, the bane of every person in a relationship. But as one man in Dresden discovered, it could be a lot worse. The emergency services were called by this man's neighbours, who reported that they could hear loud snoring. Now, I don't quite understand why, but they said that they were worried because he had epilepsy. I didn't know that snoring is a symptom of an epileptic fit, but I'm not a doctor. Well, the fire brigade came and broke into the apartment to find the man sleeping perfectly normally, just loudly. He was fine. Meanwhile, some other neighbours heard the noise of the fire brigade and called the police to report a burglary. And this really happened. It's not an episode of a 1970s sitcom. And now, a message to my wife. See, I'm not the world's loudest snorer. Count your blessings.